How to automatically backup files to Google Drive. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive on your device. Make sure you have installed the application. Open the app and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Create an account if you don't have any Google account or press on sign in. If you press on sign in, directly leads you to Google. Click on the account you want to log in with. Then press on sign in at the bottom. After that, you'll be signed in to that Google account. Open Drive and it will directly lead you to this page. Select the folders to sync, which means automatically backup, and press on next. If you want to add new folder, you can also click on add folder at the bottom and then select any folder you want. Select the folder and press on select folder. After you have done that, click on next at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then select if you want to back up photos. If not, simply press on skip. And as you can see, this folder will sync to Drive. Press on next. And then press on next again. After that, you're good to go. And as you can see, your files are up to date, which means it has already been backed up. And this is how to automatically back up files to Google Drive. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.